Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to buy meme coins on Moonshot using PayPal. Now, PayPal isn't a frequently used, service to buy cryptocurrency or meme coins, but as the years go on, a lot of innovations and a lot of cool stuff starts to come out. We can use different types of payment processors nowadays to buy crypto. But enough of that yip yap. You're gonna need to have the Moonshot app and you're gonna need to have a PayPal account. Now on the Moonshot app, click holdings, click deposit here, and then you're gonna want to click the payment option here and just look for PayPal and go ahead and click on it. Now when you do, go ahead, click $20. There you guys go, and you're gonna have to swipe to deposit. It's then going to open up a separate tab here for you to actually use MoonPay, and you're just going to want to do all of that, and then you'll be able to actually use PayPal for Moonshot. Now, all you got to go ahead and do now is just buy whatever meme coin you want here. So, yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. That's how you buy meme coins with PayPal on Moonshot. I hope you found this video helpful.